The purpose of this video is to demonstrate user management in MindSphere version 3. All user management is done within the Settings app. And in the Users tab, here we have a list of all active users. To create a new user, click on Create User and enter an email address. The user type will define whether this is a global user that has access to all data within the tenant, or a subtenant user, which will have access to data only within a certain subtenant. We'll go ahead and make this a global user. And now the account has been created, and the user will receive an email requesting them to set up their account. So here we have an example of what an email looks like from MindSphere. We'll go ahead and create an account. And there we go, the new account has been created. All right, now that a new account has been created, we'll need to go back to our email to activate the account. Here's our new email from MindSphere. Click on Activate Account. And now you can see that the account has been activated. So now that the account is activated, we can try logging in. If you go back to our email, there's a link that the customer can click on to get back to the login page. We'll log in. And now you'll notice that we were able to log in. However, we're getting an error message because this user has not been assigned any roles and therefore does not have permission to access anything. So we'll go back to our administrator account. And you can see here there's the new account. So now to add roles, there's a couple ways you can go about doing it. The first way is from the Users tab. So to do that, we'll click on the user and click on Assign Roles. Now here you can see the list of available roles that we can assign to that user. We'll go ahead and make John a standard user. So we'll click on that arrow, and then the permission or role appears over here under the Assigned Roles column. We'll click on Close, and then we'll go back to our user account, log out, and log back in. And now we can see that we have some apps available in MindSphere. Now there's another way that you can modify user permissions or roles, and that is from the Roles tab. If you click on that, then you get a list of all available roles. If we want to, say, make John an admin, then we can click on Tenant Admin. Here you can see all of the users that are currently assigned the role of admin. You can click on User Assignment up here. And then here you see a list of available users instead of available roles. So you can select John, add him to the assigned users for the tenant admin role. And then we'll log John out and back in again. And now because John's an admin, we have access to the settings and usage transparency apps.